In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize proper names in Excel. We'll be using a simple built-in Excel function called proper, which is very helpful when a list of names has been typed in all lowercase, all uppercase, or with inconsistent capitalization. Instead of fixing each name manually, Excel can do most of the work for you in just a few clicks. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and getting your worksheet ready. For this example, you can imagine a small list of names that need cleaning up. In one column, you might have entries like John Smith, Sarah Johnson, Michael Brown, and Emily Davis. These names all contain the right letters, but the capitalization is not formatted properly. Enter the original names into cells A2 through A5. This will be the source data that Excel uses to create the corrected version. Then click into cell B2, which will hold the updated name for the first entry. In cell B2, type the formula equals proper open parenthesis A2, close parenthesis. Then press Enter. As soon as you do that, Excel will look at the text in cell A2 and automatically capitalize the first letter of each word. So if A2 contains John Smith, the result in B2 will appear as John Smith. Once the first result looks correct, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of cell B2 until you see the fill handle. Drag that handle down to cell B5. Excel will copy the formula down the column and apply the same formatting to the rest of the names. This means Sarah Johnson becomes Sarah Johnson, Michael Brown becomes Michael Brown, and Emily Davis becomes Emily Davis. At this point, your properly capitalized names are in column B, while the original versions still remain in column A. If you want to replace the original names with the corrected ones, select the results in column B and copy them using Ctrl-C. Then, right-click the original cells in column A and choose Paste Special, followed by Values. This is important because it pastes the finished text rather than the formula itself. After that, if you no longer need the helper column, you can delete column B. One final tip: the proper function capitalizes the first letter of every word, which works well for many names, but not every naming style is handled perfectly. Names like MacDonald or Van Gogh may need a quick manual adjustment afterward, depending on how you want them displayed. And that's how to capitalize proper names in Excel quickly and cleanly.